What if your drawings could make music? Today we'll build a Python program that turns any picture into sound. Let's see how it works. Every drawing creates a different melody. Dark areas and bright areas become different notes. The computer reads the picture and transforms it into sound. Our project uses several Python tools. Tkinter builds the window. Py stores the drawing. NumPy creates sound waves. Pygame plays the music. When we press the mouse, drawing begins. As we move the mouse, black lines appear. At the same time, the program stores the drawing inside an image object. The image is converted into grayscale. Each column of pixels is examined. We calculate the average brightness. Then brightness selects a musical note. Computers don't understand music notes directly. Instead, they generate mathematical sound waves. A sine wave vibrates thousands of times every second. Different frequencies create different musical pitches. Once all notes are combined, Pygame turns the numbers into real sound. Now our drawing can be heard. Can you create a drawing that sounds happy? What about something spooky? Try different shapes and see how the music changes. Every picture creates a unique song. Want to try it yourself? Download the code from the link below.